Really want to improve pronunciation, and I love asking people, specifically my tutors, different words, and they love to pronounce it also. Now, imagine if in this session I'll give you only four words. You try to pronounce them, not like singly, okay? Try to make a sentence with these words. I want to check when you're using a phrase and if you're able to pronounce them or not, but not right now. In Hyderabad right now, and you're from UP, and I'm pretty sure that in UP, Mirzapur, people celebrate a lot of festivals, right?
Mm,
Correct?
yeah.
Okay, so tell me, which one is your favorite festival and how do you celebrate it? Tell me.
One more question for you. As you asked me several questions and I gave a reply. So what do you think? Which area do I need to work?
Definitely, I'm going to tell you that. So, first of all, I really liked your fluency, the way you were speaking. You're a perfect and confident speaker. That is pretty sure. And when I was listening to you, you were using the tenses also pretty correctly. Okay. And then when you told me,
What
all
about you?
right, I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Your name is Priyanka, right?
Yeah.
Uh, have we met before? I don't think so. We had a class earlier, right?
No, I haven't met before.
Oh,
I
really? That's good. Because your face was looking like somebody I've already taught, actually. All right, no problem. Your name is Priyanka. My name is Himanshu, and I'm a Clappingo tutor, and I'm meeting you for the first time. So please tell me a few things about yourself. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you know, my name is Priyanka. Basically, I am from UP. Currently, I'm
Mm,
in Hyderabad. I hold an
mm.
MBA degree. Now I'm a mother. Simultaneously,
Uh-huh.
I'm running YouTube channel where I upload
Great.
conversational videos. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to meet new people, talk to them.
Mm,
Apart
mm,
from that, I love playing badminton, reading
mm.
book, and spending time with my family. So
Wow, wow.
that's it is
Interesting.
me.
You are from UP, but you right now you are in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Pretty far, but it's fine. So you have a YouTube channel also. What is the name of your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel name is Nourish Your English.
Can you say that again?
Nourish Your English.
Okay, Nourish Your English. Wow, what a beautiful name, actually. Okay, so UP is one of the biggest state in our country. I'm from Uttarakhand, by the way. It was a part of UP. Do you know that? So,
Yeah.
which place are you from exactly? Like which city?
I am from Mirzapur.
Mirzapur. Oh my God, what a wonderful place. You know
Exactly.
what? Where I am from? I'm from Nainital.
Okay.
Have you been there?
No, no, I haven't been there, but I have heard a lot. People go there.
You must have been to Himachal Pradesh, I guess. Have you?
Where?
Himachal Pradesh.
No, no, I haven't been in that area.
You should try. If you love traveling, you should try Uttarakhand and Himachal. Both are wonderful places. Okay.
Mm.
All right. So now tell me one thing. Since you have a YouTube channel and you'd love to speak in English, what are things you actually want to improve? I can give you some examples like do you want to improve your grammar, your intonation, your syllables, your pronunciation about a particular word? Tell me, come on.
Okay, so I have worked on my English, and now
Uh-huh.
I feel like I need to work on my pronunciation.
Oh,
I
really?
I feel like I have a good non-verbal skill. If you see my confidence, the way I speak, even I have got several times this feedback. I'm not talking about like I'm not braving myself.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I feel like I want to work on my pronunciation.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I speak some words, so people understand like my native language is Hindi because
Oh,
mother tongue
yeah.
influence come while speaking.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah. So yeah, I want to work on my pronunciation, and that's why I started reading book. And
Hmm.
whenever I get chance, I watch YouTube videos.
Hmm.
I have heard I should watch more native people videos. That really helps. So, and I love foreigner their accent. I love it.
Hmm.
I'm not saying I want to adopt that accent, but people
Hmm.
who speak in their accent, somewhere
Hmm.
I am fascinated towards that people.
Oh,
Like I feel like how they get this kind of accent.
impressive. Great. Since you the last 5 minutes, okay? Right now, I'm going to ask you some questions about normal things, not difficult topics also, okay? So you can talk about these questions or the topics which I'm going to ask you for about 1 minute or 2 minutes. It is up to you. Okay? Shall I start?
Yeah, why not?
So since you are in Hyderabad right now and you're from UP, and I'm pretty sure that in UP Mirzapur people celebrate a lot of festivals, right?
Mm,
Correct?
yeah,
Okay. So tell me, which one is your favorite festival and how do you celebrate it? Tell me.
okay.
Think about it. Come on.
Okay. So As a part of a Hindu culture, I love my all festival. Like if I talk about Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Diwali, because I personally feel each festival has their own uniqueness, has their own quality, and their own importance. That's why I really like all festival. But if you ask me, I need to talk one of them. So I will say Diwali. As you know, Diwali is around the corner. So I love to get ready on that day and make rangoli with flowers, sometimes with colors. I love to decorate my house and light
Wow.
up candles, and I love crackers too. And
Crackers. Wow.
after that we do puja with our whole family, and that is different vibes, right? We can't get these kind of vibes throughout the year. and
Hmm.
and at last we really enjoy homemade food. Like we prepare, like sometimes we prepare chola bhatura, sometimes puri
Wow.
sabji and
Wow.
kheer, like this. And I am
Hmm.
kind of person who love to eat food at home. So I don't prefer to go out and eat there. I love to
Hmm.
explore new city, but I don't like food there. Uh,
Wow.
Several times with
Great.
me. So, and even
Great.
also into a cooking, I think I'm kind of experimental. I love to cook new things. So yeah, that's why I love Diwali. And the best part is that we celebrate this festival with our whole family. So that's why I really enjoy this festival.
Nice. So you love cooking and you also love consuming different kind of food items, right? Great. Okay. So since you are in Hyderabad, and I've heard from a lot of people and from a lot of videos also that Hyderabad is famous for serving what? Biryani, right?
Hmm,
Which
yeah.
one do you like the most and in what place in Hyderabad? Tell me.
Okay.
Yeah,
So in Hyderabad, as you said, yeah, biryani is a one of
biryani.
the
Yes.
that is really very famous, and people
Mm,
love Hyderabadi biryani. So I love veg biryani.
mm,
That is a mix of different kind of vegetables and paneer too. Paneer is a
mm.
one of my favorite. I love paneer everywhere, whether it's paneer veg or anywhere. Like what is my favorite? Something
Think about it.
I can't remind.
It's
Paneer
okay.
tikka. Okay, paneer
Paneer
tikka.
tikka, it's very famous in North India also. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So paneer
amazing.
tikka. So I feel like I love paneer everywhere. So sometimes
Mm.
when I eat vegetable, I just want to taste it. So I love to take paneer from there and I want to have it. I like this.
Oh.
So I feel like I have a different kind of craving for the paneer. But
Mm.
I don't want to eat every day because I don't want to fade it, right? So I want to eat like once in a week or like this. Yeah.
Ah, really?
Hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
So Hyderabad is famous for people definitely who love to have non-veg food also. Do you know that?
Yeah, people, I have seen even people who like non-veg food, they don't like paneer and all. They love to eat non-veg items like a mutton and all. I don't have more idea about it. I am pure veg. But I have seen people loves to eat. Yeah, here people loves to eat dosa, idli, and bonda, punugulu. That is very famous here. But I don't like fried food.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
I like bonda and punugulu. I love to eat idli and dosa.
Wonderful. Whatever food items you told me, I really liked it. You used about paneer also. Paneer is also very famous for vegetarian people, right?
Hmm.
Okay, now, can you tell me what is paneer called in English? Do you know that?
Tofu? No, right.
Tofu.
Tofu is not.
I think tofu is
Tofu
something
is something
different.
different. Yeah.
I have never eaten tofu in my life, actually.
Same.
Tofu is
Yeah, I have heard
okay.
several times about tofu. I think mostly actors always say like tofu. I think it's related to Japanese food.
Okay.
I feel like, but I have
I,
never tried yet.
even I have not heard about tofu a lot of times, so I'm not sure about it. But paneer is called cottage cheese.
Oh yeah, yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
But definitely, if you love to speak English, you should know words from Hindi also.
Hmm.
अब जैसे, do you like having pakoda?
Yeah, not too much. As I told you, I don't like fried food, so
I
pakoda,
understand.
pakoda is not my list. But whenever any guest comes, so pakoda is a kind of thing that is compulsory.
Now tell me, what are pakodas called in English? Think about it. Do you know?
Crack. कुछ
What?
something
What? Tell me again.
cracker, something कुछ something
Okay. The spelling is FRITTERS. Now pronounce it.
fritters,
Fritters.
fritters.
Okay. It's not fratters, it's called fritters. Okay. But
Okay.
in India, in specifically northern part of India, a lot of people like having pakoda, but they say I love having pakoda. But
Hmm.
when you're speaking English, definitely you can say it what?
Yeah,
Fritter. Okay.
fritter.
All
Okay.
right. There's one more thing I want to ask you, and then we will do pronunciation practice. Is that okay?
Sure.
Cool. All right. Now tell me about why do you like living in Hyderabad since you are from Mirzapur? Come on, tell me.
I love here because here there are a lot of job opportunity. People can start their career, and that's the first reason. Second reason is that here people are very polite. They don't show off, and they are always ready to help. If you need someone help, they are very polite and they are helpful, I can say. Third thing is if I talk about meal. So as you know,
Uh-huh.
dosa, idli, these are very famous, and we can get anywhere and everywhere, and that's why
Hmm.
I like this city.
Wow. Very nice. Definitely. There are a lot of things you can definitely enjoy. Great. Okay. Now, so I don't check pronunciation of people by just telling them that pronounce this word. I'm gonna ask you a question. You will frame a sentence. Are you ready? Open your chat box. Okay. Tell me about what is your favorite dish. You can say my favorite dash is blah blah blah. Whatever your answer is. Come on, start.
Okay, so my favorite dessert is Kaju Katli and Gulab Jamun.
Kaju katli and gulab jamun. Seriously.
Gulab Jamun is not my favorite. Kaju Katli I
Oh,
like.
okay. Say, can you say that sentence again?
My favorite dessert is Kaju Katli and Gulab Jamun.
Okay, it's a small mistake. I will tell
Dessert,
you why.
dessert,
It's called dessert. This
dessert.
is the spelling of dessert. Check.
Yeah.
Dessert. Dessert, something that you eat. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Desert is desert. Registan.
Okay.
Now make two sentence for the first one and second one. Quickly, come on.
Dessert. Both pronunciation is same, right? Dessert.
No, first is desert. Second is dessert.
Yeah, yeah.
Second is dessert. First one is desert. That's the only difference. Okay.
Uh,
Now quickly make one sentence for both of them. Hurry up.
okay, so if you ask me my favorite sweet, sorry, if you ask me my favorite dessert is
Good.
Katli.
Wow.
Yeah,
And
I
your favorite
haven't
desert is what?
I haven't been traveled any desert place.
My favorite desert is in Rajasthan. Thar Desert. You can say that also, not a problem. Okay.
Uh,
Now, since you love cooking and consuming a lot of food items, we use something in a salad. What is how do you pronounce this? Come on.
salad,
No, no, no. Check the word first.
cucumber, cucumber,
It's
you
not cucumber, it's cucumber.
cucumber, cucumber,
Cucumber. Very nice. Okay.
cucumber.
One, two, three words are done. I'm going to share a word with you, which is also very simple. Do you like shopping?
Yeah,
When you
oh,
shop something from a mall, you get this. What is it called?
coupon.
Coupon. Very nice. You know
What
what?
is the coupon?
What?
Yeah.
You know what? What I used to say it when I didn't know how to pronounce it. I
Hmm.
used to say I went for a shopping and I got coupon.
Yeah, generally
That
people,
is the wrong pronunciation, right? So it
yeah,
is called what? Coupon.
coupon.
Perfect. Very
Yeah,
nice.
coupon.
I liked your pronunciation. You pronounce cucumber pretty well and coupon also. But understand, I taught you desert and dessert. Okay. You can practice these two words, and next time, whenever we meet, I'm going to teach you four more words. Basically, first ask you four words, and then if you don't know any word, I'm going to teach you about that. Okay.
Oh, okay. I have one more question for you. As you asked me several questions and I gave a reply. So what do you think? Which area do I need to work?
Definitely, I'm going to tell you that. So, first of all, I really liked your fluency, the way you were speaking. You're a perfect and confident speaker. That is pretty sure. And when I was listening to you, you were using the tenses also pretty correctly. Okay. And then when you told me in the initial stage of this session that, sir, I really want to focus on my pronunciation. And shall I tell you how can you improve it? There is a YouTube channel by the name of English Speeches. You just go to YouTube after this session, search English speeches, and there listen to people in English, specifically Britisher people. You can watch a video of the own like anyone, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Dr. Shashi Tharoor of India. You will see captions while listening to these videos, and you will learn two things. You will improve your pronunciation, and you will also learn some new words. Your vocabulary will improve. I'll give you an example. For example, now imagine sometimes we say, "My I'm feeling very bad." Where bad is a very easy word. Even a child knows it. Bad means feeling very bad. Something is bad. Now imagine you should not use very, very, very a lot of times. I'm gonna share the a different vocabulary for this. Yesterday I went to my office, and because of the weather, I felt deplorable. The word deplorable means to feel very bad. Now imagine if you use deplorable, people will think, oh, what is the meaning of this word? We'll
Yeah,
take it,
yeah.
it's about very bad. So we should specifically while speaking and writing, never use very. Kids can use it, but since you're learning and improving your vocabulary, in the next session, I'm going to teach you four words which you can replace because of very. And my favorite word is called that word is called impoverished. For example, when you're talking about that in UP, there are a lot of people who are very poor.
Mhm.
It's true also. You can say in UP, a lot of people are
It just
impoverished. Definitely. All right. So instead of saying very poor, which is a word known by everyone, you can say in UP, I know a lot of people who are pretty impoverished. Impoverished means someone who is very poor. Like this only, you will make sentence. I will teach you a word in the next session. Are you ready for that?
yeah, yeah.
We will also discuss our pronunciation. So keep listening to videos. If you really want to improve your pronunciation and your vocabulary, listen to videos and read nice books also. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Overall, I pretty much liked your fluency and your grammar that you used. Wonderful. Okay.
Thank you. You are a great and such a wonderful teacher.
Really,
Yeah.
I'm a teacher by profession also. Do you know that? I teach
So,
small kids, PYP,
okay.
primary years program. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm. And
So I love talking to kids. Huh?
you have a quality to internet. You have a quality to what should I say?
Tell me.
Uh, Entertain someone. Yeah, you have a quality to entertain someone. Like kids love to study with you because
Yeah,
you have a lot of facial expression. You know
absolutely.
how to teach them.
I make them laugh. I make them enjoy. Whenever I teach something, they laugh also. Because
Hmm.
I don't want them to be bored. Sir, what
Yeah,
are you
yeah,
saying?
yeah.
No,
You are not like a strict teacher, right?
no. I don't scold anybody at all. No, nothing at all. But
Yeah.
my teacher used to scold me a lot.
There
That's why I've stopped it. Okay.
are a lot of things that we learned from our experience, right?
Great.
Yeah,
Pretty much. Okay. So thank you. I'll meet you next time. Okay. Thank
sure.
you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.